This is the solution to exercise 3-4 from C++ Crash Course, which can be found in Part 1, Chapter 3. So, let's read the instructions here. Re-implement listing 3-11 using no explicit types. Hint, use auto. So let's take a look at listing 3.11. So it starts with declaring an int and assigning it the value of 100. And then the next line we have a reference to an int, and we're just setting it to original. So that makes this reference point to original. Then on line 8 we print original to the screen, so it should say 100, and then we print the reference to the original, and it's basically printing original, the int called original, so it's a reference to the int. On line 11 we create a new int called new value, and we assign it the value of 200. And then on line 13 here we assign original underscore ref to new underscore value, and it assigns the value of new value to the object it points to. So original ref is now pointing to new value, because remember, this is a reference, right? So if we print original ref down here, it'll now say 200, and original will also be 200. And of course new value will be 200. So let's go to exercise 3-4, and so we're going to re-implement using non-explicit types. So we just replace int with auto here and here, and again over here. So let's see that in action. We are going to compile. No errors, no warnings. And then we're going to output. We're going to run it with Valgrind and output it to a text file, and here's the results. So when we print original and when we print the reference, both times it says 100, and then down here it'll say 200, 200, 200. Okay, that was very simple, very easy. All you have to do is replace int with auto, and that's it.